New PTE speaking task alert. Respond to a situation is here. And no, boring templates won't save you this time. Let me show you how to answer like a real human being and get that 79 plus. The goal? Sound natural, calm and fluent, not robotic, not memorized. Respond to a situation. Let's see what do we have here.
You're late for an important meeting. How do you explain your delay?
Hi, I really apologize for showing up late. Something unexpected came up and it delayed me more than I thought. I completely understand that your time is valuable and I regret keeping you waiting. I'll definitely plan better next time or inform you in advance. Thanks so much for your patience. I truly appreciate it.
A friend is disappointed after failing an exam. How do you respond?
Hey, I know you are feeling down about the result, but don't let this one exam shake your confidence. Everyone faces setbacks, and it's part of the learning journey. Let's go over the areas you struggle with, and I'll help you prepare for the next attempt. You're capable of much more, and I believe in you.
A customer is angry about poor service. You're the staff. What do you say?
I truly apologize for the inconvenience you have experienced. Your feedback is important, and I completely understand your frustration. I will make sure to report this to the manager, and I would like to offer a solution right away to make things right.
Your teammate didn't complete their part of a group project. How do you handle it?
Hey, I notice your section of the project isn't done yet, and since the deadline is close, I just wanted to check in. I understand if something came up, it happens, but let's figure out how to divide things so we can finish on time. If you need help or want to swap tasks, I'm open to it. The main goal is getting things done together.
A friend asks you for money, but you're not comfortable lending it. What do you say?
I totally understand you're in a tough spot and I care about you, but right now I'm not in a position to lend money. I hope you're not offended. It's just a personal policy. Maybe we can explore other ways to help, like talking to someone else or finding short term solutions. I'm here for you in any other way I can be.
Your internet stopped working during an online class. Apologize to your teacher.
I'm really sorry I dropped out during the session. My internet went down unexpectedly. I've already reviewed the class recording to catch up, and I will make sure my connection is stable for the next session. I understand the importance of staying consistent, and I appreciate your understanding.
Your manager gave you short notice for a task. How do you respond?
Thanks for assigning this task. I can see it's time sensitive, and I will prioritize it right away. To make sure I meet expectations, could you clarify which part you would like me to focus on first? I will make sure to deliver the highest quality possible within the timeline. I appreciate your trust in me.
A tourist asks you for directions to a popular attraction. How do you respond?
Of course, you're actually very close. Walk straight down this road for about 300 meters, then take a left at the cafe. You will see a sign pointing toward the museum. It's a big white building, so it's easy to spot. If you need help on the way, the locals are friendly. Just ask. Enjoy your visit.
You accidentally damaged a friend's phone. What do you say?
I feel terrible. I accidentally dropped your phone while I was picking up my bag. I know how important your phone is, and I want to make it right. I'll cover the cost of the repairs or replace it if needed. I really didn't mean for this to happen, and I hope you will let me fix it.
Your coworker is stressed about a deadline. What do you say?
Hey, I can see you're feeling overwhelmed with the deadline. If there's anything I can do, like reviewing a section or helping with a few small tasks, just let me know. We are a team and I don't mind lending a helping hand. Even a bit of a support can make a big difference. You've got this, and I've got you back. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also, comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you. This is Sridhar signing off from PTE Language Institute. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.